A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a landmark sedition trial that has captured international attention, renowned Hong Kong democracy activist Jimmy Lai is facing serious charges under the controversial national security law imposed by Beijing. As the trial enters its final stage, Lai's defense attorney, Robert Pang, has passionately argued that advocating for freedom of expression and human rights is not a crime. The 77-year-old founder of the defunct Apple Daily newspaper is accused of colluding with foreign forces and conspiring to publish seditious materials. If convicted, Lai could face life imprisonment. The trial, which has stretched over 150 days, is being closely monitored by foreign governments and political observers, who view it as a crucial test of Hong Kong's judicial independence and press freedom. During the closing arguments on Wednesday, Pang emphasized that it is not inherently wrong to hope for governmental change or to express dissent against the administration. He stated, "It's not wrong to try to persuade the government to change its policy, nor is it wrong not to love a particular administration or even the country." This assertion highlights the ongoing struggle for civil liberties in Hong Kong, where dissenting voices have increasingly been silenced under a stringent security framework. The prosecution, led by Anthony Chow, has painted Lai as a mastermind of a conspiracy to undermine national security through his publications. Chow argued that Lai's testimony throughout the trial has been unreliable and that his actions were aimed at inciting foreign intervention in Hong Kong's affairs. The charges stem from 161 articles published in the Apple Daily, which authorities have labeled as seditious. However, Pang countered this narrative, arguing that the articles in question were merely examples of journalistic reporting and not incitements to violence or rebellion. Judge Esther To, presiding over the case with a 3-judge panel, indicated that the focus should be on the content of the articles rather than their quantity. She remarked, "It is not wrong not to love the government, but it becomes wrong when someone does that through certain nefarious means." This statement underscores the delicate balance between freedom of expression and the government's interpretation of national security. Health concerns for Lai have also been a significant aspect of the trial. Despite suffering from heart palpitations, he has continued to attend court proceedings. Last week, the trial was briefly delayed to allow Lai to receive medical attention, but a subsequent examination found no abnormalities, and officials asserted that his medical care in custody was sufficient. The outcome of this trial holds significant implications for the future of press freedom in Hong Kong, as well as for the broader movement advocating for democracy and human rights in the region. The international community is watching closely, with many expressing concern over the erosion of civil liberties in Hong Kong since the introduction of the national security law in 2020. As the hearing resumes on Thursday, the stakes remain high for Lai, who has become a symbol of resistance against the tightening grip of authoritarianism in Hong Kong. His trial not only represents the fight for his own freedom, but also encapsulates the struggle for the rights of all Hong Kong citizens to express dissent and advocate for change without fear of retribution. The verdict, when it comes, will likely resonate beyond the courtroom, impacting the future of free speech and political expression in one of Asia's most vibrant cities. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.